Tab completion in Python interpreter in OS X terminal. Several months ago, I wrote a blog post detailing how to achieve tab completion in the standard Python interactive interpreter, a feature I once thought only available in IPython. I found it tremendously handy given that I sometimes have to switch to the standard interpreter due to IPython Unicode issues. Recently I've done some work in OS X. To my discontent, the script doesn't seem to work for OS X's terminal application. I'm hoping some of you with experience in OS X might be able to help me troubleshoot it so it can work in terminal, as well. I am reproducing the code below. Note that I have slightly edited it from the version on my blog post so that the URL completer is initialized with a true tab, which seems to be what is output by the tab key in terminal.
To avoid having to use more GPL code, Apple doesn't include a real redline. Instead it uses the BSD licensed libedit, which is only mostly redline compatible. Build your own Python, or use Fink or McQuartz, if you want completion.
This should work under Leopard's Python, whereas this one does not. Save it in /.python.py and execute in /_profile.
Here is a full cross-platform version of loading tab completion for Windows /OS X /Linux in one shot. From this URL.
If after trying the above, it still doesn't work, then try to execute in the shell. Then, create /.profile file with the content, and a /.python.py file with the content. Thanks to Stephen Bamford for the easy _install tip, and Nicholas for the file content.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.